Welcome back, everyone. We're so excited to have you here today. Come on, let's go! Today we're learning a lot about birds. We're learning about the different parts of the bird, both in English and in Spanish. I'm so excited. But before we start, we need to do circle time! So let's get started. For today's circle time, we are learning the letter of the week. And the letter of the week this week is the letter V. Now there are many things that start with the letter V. Can you think of some words that start with the letter V? The first one that we've been learning this week is an automobile. It's bigger than a car, it has lots of seats in the back or a lot of room. It still has 4 wheels. Can you think of what I'm thinking of? It's a van. Very good. Now the second word that I'm thinking of is a land formation. Dun, dun, dun. And this land formation likes to erupt from the very top. Can you think of what land formation I'm thinking of? A volcano. It's like a fiery mountain. It has no sleeves and many times it has a zipper or sometimes buttons. Can you think of what I'm thinking of? It's a vest. Very good. All right, so now that we know the letter of the week, let's move on to our ABC song. Ready? Let's roll the music. Let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Da, da, da. Bravo, my friends. Wonderful job with your ABCs. All right, so now it's time to move on to the days of the week. Now, for the days of the week, I always like to use my calendar. So let's take a closer look to see what the days of the week are. First, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now let's say them in Spanish. Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Great work with the days of the week. Now let's sing a song about the days of the week, los días de la semana. Ready? Let's say, roll the music. Ready? Roll the music. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. In Spanish. Domingo, lunes, martes y miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Domingo, lunes, martes y miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Great work, everybody. So today we have a very special guest. Our guest today is Ollie. If you don't know who Ollie is an owl, and he loves Humble Hearts Academy so much. And I love to have them in class whenever we can. So today, Ollie is going to help us with the months of the year. Oh, And that's them knocking right now. Let's invite them in. Come in, Ollie. All right, when they come in, they're going to start the months of the year, and I will see you in a little bit to count our 1, 2, 3s. Thank you so much for having me today. Today, I want to say the months of the year, los meses del año. We're going to try it by singing it. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the 12 months of the year. Great work! Now let's try it in Spanish. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Estos son los 12 meses. ¡Bravo! Muy bien, amigos y amigas. Oh, I think Teacher Ariel is ready for us in the classroom. Let's go say hello. Thanks, Ollie. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Wasn't that so much fun? I love having Ollie over. They always make learning the months of the year really fun. All right, now it's time to count our 1, 2, 3s. Let's count them in English and in Spanish. And this week, we are counting from 1 all the way to number 17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17.
Bravo! Wonderful work counting your 1, 2, 3s. Today we counted all the way to number 17. Do you remember how to say that in Spanish? Número 17. 17. Ooh, that's a long word. But you did a fantastic job remembering all your numbers. All right, my friends, so now it's time for birds. Today we're learning all about birds, specifically the parts of the bird. Do you see something interesting here? Yeah, that's right. They go from big, medium, and small. And we learned that birds come in all shapes and sizes. And what do you see that's the same? The same. Interesting. Look at each of the birds. They all have legs. Each of them have legs. Very cool. What else do birds have? Oh, I know. Look at here. They have tails. Tails. So they have legs and tails. What else is a part of the bird? Oh, I know. They have something called a beak. A beak. And that's where their mouth is. Num 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 num. Their beak. So we've learned 3 parts of a bird. We learned that they have legs, that they have a tail, and they have a beak. Do you think we can find the legs of the medium bird? That's right, they're right over here. And do you think we can find the tail of the small bird? It's over here. And can we find the beak of the big bird? That's right, it's right here. Bravo! Great job, everyone. You learned about 3 parts of a bird. Do you think we can find the 3 parts of the bird on my rooster? What is this called? This is a beak. Where is its tail? There it is. It's flopping around. Now, do you notice anything else that birds have? That's right. What are these things? They kind of remind me of airplanes. If you've ever been on an airplane, you know that airplanes have these long wings. Everyone say wings. Now we know 4 parts of the bird: the beak, the tail, the legs, and their wings. Great work! Wow, you did such a wonderful job, my friends. You learned so much today. We learned about the letter of the week, which was the letter V, and we learned 3 words that start with the letter V. Van, volcano, and we also learned our days of the week, los días de la semana, where we said them in English and in Spanish. Can we say them in Spanish again? Domingo, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes y sábado. Muy bien! The third thing we learned were the months of the year, los meses del año. Now, can you remember what the last month of the year is called in Spanish? December. Diciembre. Muy bien. The fourth thing we learned about were our 1, 2, 3s, where we counted all the way to number 17. Número 17. And the last thing that we learned about were the different parts of the bird, where we learned that birds have beaks, they have wings, legs, and tails, among many more things. Well, my friends, you did such a lovely job. So it is time to do our goodbye breaths and sing our goodbye adios song. So let's get ready to breathe. So now let's get in a very relaxed state. We've been working really hard today, and we've been thinking, and our bodies have been moving. So now what we want to do is get nice and relaxed. And while we relax, we like to have our legs down, our arms down, and if you want, you can close your eyes too. And we're going to take 3 small breaths and 3 small breaths out. Ready? Let's try it. Breathe in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Very good. Now let's do our deep breaths. Stay nice and relaxed. Clear your mind or think about all the things that make you very happy. Mine is being here with you. And now we're going to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. Just sit there or lay there or stand there, whatever you're doing, and relax for a couple of seconds. And when you're ready, open your eyes real wide. Bling. And let's get ready to sing our goodbye adios song. Ready? Let's hit the music. Goodbye, adios, see you next time, see you next time. I will see you later, I will see you later. Goodbye, adios, goodbye, adios. See you next time, see you next time. I will see you later, I will see you later. Goodbye, adios. Goodbye, everyone. I will see you next time. And remember, parents and guardians, feel free to check out the Humble Hearts Academy Facebook page. All right, I will see you next time.